postings. All right, we're getting ready to move into this new year here, and a pretty normal week ahead, huh?
Yeah, pretty just mellow, I would say would be the word. After all the exciting weather that we had with the snow, the rain, the wind, everything, this week going to be totally different.
You're on cruise control then, Steve.
Yeah, we can just go right to break. We don't have to do the weather forecast. No. We got lots to talk about, Wayne. All right, 42 degrees out there along the coast tonight. Lincoln City had a nice day out there along the coast, in fact. Just a little bit of rain, not that much wind. Now the fog settled back in the valley here in Alien A, Ridgefield, Camera up there in Clark County. You folks up there right around freezing with lots of fog there. Can't even see the casino anymore. We'll see more of that fog around the metro area, especially in areas that have moisture on the ground from last night and calm winds. That's the key there. So wind now not calm in Portland, east-southeast 6 miles per hour. Temperature's 39, so that's keeping the fog away for now. Humidity's at 79%. But I expect we'll see more fog as we move into the overnight hours. In fact, there's a look right now, just 1 mile of visibility up in southwest Washington, Kelso, Longview, Scappoose below 5 miles, Hillsborough at 1 mile, and also Salem. So a lot of the valley areas going to see fog overnight tonight. Very typical for the month of January, a foggy month historically speaking. 46 is the average. We got to 48, so 2 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. Vancouver was 47, 47s at Salem and Eugene. Mostly in the mid-40s along the coast as well as in the Columbia River Gorge. And you got to go way out into northeast Oregon before you get into the 20s and 30s. Baker City there at 35. So that 48 is just 2 degrees below where we should be for this time of the year. And 35 for the overnight low, right about where we should be. All right, 1/100th of an inch. That was the only amount of rainfall I could find anywhere on the map, and that's out at Astoria. Should be another fairly dry day tomorrow. Satellite radar, all high and dry, just a few scattered showers way off the coast. Your Monday day planner, we're going to start out with some fog and low clouds in the valley. Temperatures in the 30s. We'll get some sun breaks in the afternoon before the clouds return around sunset. Notice those temperatures just in the lower 40s for daytime highs tomorrow. So we'll call it a dry and foggy start to the week coming up. The east wind will pick up again on Monday and Tuesday, and then more rain returns. I'd say the next significant system would arrive on Wednesday. Quick look at that ski report. Timberline 75 inches. You got 3 inches of new powder up there. Meadows, nothing new, but still about 5.5 feet or so up there. And Ski Bowl, 1 inch new for about a 3-foot base. And Bachelor, not too bad there, 64 inches on the ground. So the east wind will pick up tomorrow. You can see that on this map here. But I've got my eye on Wednesday. And what happens on Wednesday is well off the coast, a deep low pressure system goes north, and that pulls air through the Columbia River Gorge. I don't see a situation where it's going to be freezing rain or very cold air necessarily, but a tight pressure gradient. We could have some gusts up over 40 miles per hour from the east. That would be on Wednesday evening as that next system arrives. Futurecast also points out something very interesting for overnight tomorrow night. I've been watching this. A little band of moisture comes up through the valley. May start out as a little bit of light rain snow mix. That would be overnight Monday night into Tuesday before it pushes out of here. And then, of course, we've got that next system coming on board Wednesday. That's more of a rainmaker. Okay, 7-day forecast. We'll call it morning fog tomorrow, then mostly dry. A chance for that mixed rain and snow late tomorrow night and into Tuesday morning. Showers linger, and then on Wednesday, that next system comes in. Notice those temperatures remaining below normal. And then more typical weather as we get later into the week. All right, more Coin 6 news coming back.